Hi everyone, back for another watch unboxing. This is the Super Mario Brothers limited edition G-Shock Square. Really excited about this. I've been waiting for this for a while. This one's come direct from Japan. So yeah, I've been looking for this at a good price and I actually got it. So yeah, let's get into it as usual. I've got this unbottled. What's going on here? I don't know what this wrapping is. Anyway, get that out of the way. And here we go. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting wrapping here. Let me just pull the camera back a bit. Oh. And here we go. So we've got some bubble wrap. Just take that off. And there it is. Super Mario Bros. I know you've all probably seen this already, but a bit late to the party, but yeah, like I said, I don't like paying full price, so got this at a good price. It's the DW-5600SMB-4JR module 3229. Nice box. You got the Super Mario Brothers there climbing. Really cool. Super Mario G-Shock on the top. Let's get this unboxed. And wow, nice tin. G-Shock on the top. It says here, Soldier of the Turtle Empire. His orders are to find and destroy Mario. Jump on him and he stops moving for a while. That's what it says there on the side of the tin. If you come across mushrooms who have been turned into bricks or made invisible, they reward you by giving you a power boost. With each boost, Mario changes into a different, more powerful Mario, as shown below. Pretty cool. And there's the watch there. Bang. Nice. Here we go. Wow. That looks really cool. You can see the screen there. Obviously this is from Japan, so I haven't adjusted the time. So you got the G-Shock tag. And yeah, lots of detail here on the watch. The band is got all the brick pattern. And I think the light, where's the light? Oh yeah, there's the light there. You can see the light lights up and it's got a bit of a Mario at the background. Yeah, you can just see that there. And the camera is capturing it. Pretty cool. So yeah, you got the at the back as well, the Mario Kart. Really nice watch. That's pretty cool. Love it. Oh, you've got also here, you got a Mario symbol. Really nice. I like it. Oh, you got a little green thing there. G-Shock. It's normal functions, so we can run through it. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, and back home. Yeah, so this is just a quick video and unboxing of the Super Mario Brothers G-Shock limited edition. Finally got my hands on one. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more watch content, shoe content. I want to start getting into a bit more of Lego content. So yeah, the channel's all over the place. Trying to find my niche. So thanks for watching, and see you again soon.